Good morning, everyone. Crash here. This is RTA Motorsports. It is early in the morning, and we're heading over to a Cars and Coffee in the Bay Area.
Welcome to RTA Motorsports.
Should be freaking awesome. We're gonna hit up a meeting spot right now with some of our local crew. We got a few CTS-Vs, including this one. We got Mustang GT, and we got an ISF. So a pretty cool grouping of people, really awesome grouping of people. We're gonna meet some other CTS-V owners in the Bay Area for the first time. Should be an interesting group of cars that we see here. I can't wait to actually get there. I've been thinking about and toying with the idea of trading in my CTS-V. The problem is when you have a car like this, it's like, what the hell do you trade it in for, you know? I do have an interesting grouping in my mind. One being the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Another one is the RS3. I drove it, I liked it, it has a lot of pull. It's a very different feeling car, but it's the smaller size I was thinking about going with. I kind of like, not small cars, kind of thinking about scaling down a little bit. Never been excited to wake up this early before. Our first Bay Area Cars and Coffee. I'm glad we're bringing the group, a bunch of good people. It's good that you got a hobby and you could be surrounded by your friends who also share the hobby. When you guys do something fun together, it just makes it special. We're about a mile from the meetup spot. Oh, I see the Corvette that he was talking about.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh wow, some old Toyota Celicas. Are those Toyota Celicas? I think they are. Oh wow, it looks like a Cannonball Run Corvette. What's up, sweetheart? Why don't you hop in? I'll take you for a ride.
Is this my Uber?
Just left the meeting spot a moment ago. It was freaking awesome. Met some dude. It wasn't an old Celica, it's an old Corolla. Got an old Corolla. Pretty awesome, like Cannonball Run Corvette. There was a sick Camaro with a turbo kit. And got a Ford Focus ST in the running. So we got a pretty cool group of guys all going down there. I don't know how they knew we were meeting there, but I guess they were having their meet there too. We all kind of networked together, and now we got like 6 or 7 cars all rolling through together. It's freaking awesome.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you. You pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Love and hate, we learned the lines. I
about 12 minutes away. This drive has been pretty cool. A lot of fun. A lot of cool different cars, so it makes it fun, you know? Not a lot of traffic. Traffic has been great. Alright, so we're finally off the highway. Looks like we got a Camaro ZL1 up ahead, followed up by a Mustang. I don't really see anybody here, though.
Went back around and followed into the number 2 lane, yeah. If you want to just take it back around, that's fine.
There's a sick ass Rolls Royce and matte red Aventador that's like right behind me to the left, and they just actually turned him around and made him get back in line to get into this car show. This is freaking insane. The line of crazy cars is just nuts. Absolutely nuts. I don't know if we're gonna get in here in time. They got a cop blocking off the road and everything. Got an Audi RS7. That was sick. That was sick. This is gonna be insane. Holy crap. This is like honestly the biggest car show I have ever seen. It's $15 to get in. We got a crazy hat here. What does it say? GMP Racing. Got a really nice hat and a raffle ticket. I don't know what the raffle ticket's for, but there are so many freaking cars here. Holy crap. Wow. This is incredible. Absolutely freaking incredible. It's like Disneyland here for car enthusiasts. It's crazy. I've never seen a Cars and Coffee so freaking big before. Oh, a Ferrari F40. Yeah, I think I recognize you.
Yeah, is anybody else with you?
Oh, yeah.
Gotcha, all right, hit me up.
All right.
Inside the book that I wrote, all of the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Lay down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, deciphering the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
check out.